smiling right now. Ladies and gentlemen, the worthy recipient of the MMFF 50 Lifetime Achievement Award, ang ama ng MMFF, our former president, Mr. Joseph Erap Ejército Estrada.
And Ms. Vilma Santos with MFF's Executive Committee, Ms. Boots Anthony Roa Rodrigo and Attorney Rolando Artes.
To our MMFF 50 Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Mr. Joseph Erap Estrada.
I'm tasked to deliver the acceptance speech of my father, Senator Francis Tolentino, Senator Bongo, former Secretary Benhur Abalos, Secretary Mina Pangandaman, MMDA Chairman Ron Artes, Mayor Abby Binay, Chairperson Lala Soto, the MTRCB, all exco members, artista, at kasama natin sa pelikulang Pilipino, magandang view sa lahat. Sa ngalan po ng aking pamilya at ng buong industriya ng pelikulang Pilipino, lubos ako nagpapasalamat sa karangalan ito mula sa Metro Manila Film Festival. At sa pagkakataon ito, kung kailan pinagdiriwang natin ang Golden Year Anniversary ng MMFF, nararapat lamang na pangunahan ito ng lungsod ng Maynila kung saan nagsimula ang lahat. 50 years ago, on this very stage, I was honored to receive the Best Actor Award at the first Metro Manila Film Festival for my role in the film Diligin Mo ng Hamog, Ang Buhaw na Lupa. That film won a total of 6 awards, including the Best Picture Award. Hindi ko po inaasahan na muli ako makakatanggap ng pagkilala sa parehong entablado matapos ang 5 dekada. When establishing the Metro Manila Film Festival in 1974, I sought the assistance of Guillermo de Vega, who was then the chairman of the Board of Censors for Motion Pictures, now known as the MTRCB. At that time, the film industry was struggling due to the influx of Hollywood movies, increasing commercialization, and a decline in artistic quality. In the early 60s, out of about 20 theaters in Metro Manila, only a small percentage showcased local films. Ang MMFF ang tanging paraan noong mga panahon na yon para hindi lamang may tampok ang mga kwentong Pilipino para sa mga Pilipino, kundi para rin magkaroon ng puwang sa merkado at mabigyan ng pagkilala at ang talento ng ating mga alagad sa sining ng pelikula. The decade from 1975 up to 1985 is often regarded as the golden years of the Metro Manila Film Festival. During this time, several classic films were produced, including Ganito Kami Noon, Paano Kayo Ngayon, by national artist Eddie Romero, Himala by Ishmael Bernal, Brutal by Marilu Diaz-Zabaya, Isang Mata by Mike De Leon, and Ina Ka Ng Anak Mo by Lino Broca, who is also a national artist, among many others. And throughout that decade, the sole beneficiary of the Metro Manila Film Festival proceeds was the Movie Workers Welfare Foundation, or Mobile Fund, which I founded to provide assistance to movie workers during times of sickness, disability, accidents, and death. Madaming pinagdaanan ang MMFF, maraming kontrobersya ang bumalot sa taon ng pista ng pelikulang Pilipino. Sa pagtungtong sa ika-50 taon ng MMFF, patunay ito na walang sawang suporta ng ating mga manonood at masugid na pagpupunyagi ng mga nasa harap at likod ng kamera. Sa lahat ng mabubuo sa paggawa ng pelikulang Pilipino, mga producer, direktor, aktor, manunulat at manggagawa, para na rin sa ating mga manunood, ang pagkilala ito ay para sa inyo. Sa mga kasamahan ko na tumulong na mabuo at patuloy nagtataguyod ng MMFF, maraming salamat sa inyo. Ang pagkilalang ito ay hindi lamang isang pagkilala sa nakaraan, kundi isang inspirasyon para sa patuloy na paglilingkod sa ating bayan sa pamamagitan ng sining ng pelikula. The passion, creativity, and dedication of our filmmakers, actors, and industry workers have always been the backbone of the Philippine film industry. And I am optimistic that through continued collaboration, innovation, and investment, we can reignite the flame of Philippine cinema. And by doing so, we can revive the golden years and create a new era of cinematic excellence for future generations to enjoy. Uli, maraming salamat sa parangal na ito. Patuloy natin mahalin, tangkilikin, at itaguyod ang pelikulang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang Metro Manila Film Festival, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino, mabuhay ang ating bansa. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi sa inyo.